Imagine waking up to the sound of your alarm clock, feeling excited and ready to start your day as a tech creative professional. You jump out of bed, energized by the endless possibilities that lie ahead. As you get dressed and grab a quick breakfast, your mind is already buzzing with ideas and projects that you can't wait to bring to life. Arriving at your workplace, you step into a modern, open-concept office filled with the hum of creativity and collaboration. The space is designed to foster innovation, with colorful walls, comfortable seating areas, and state-of-the-art technology at every turn. You grab a cup of coffee from the communal kitchen and join your team at the morning stand-up meeting. During the meeting, you share updates on your current projects and hear about the progress of your colleagues. This is a valuable opportunity to brainstorm ideas, provide feedback, and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Collaboration is key in your field, as you work closely with designers, developers, and marketing specialists to create compelling digital experiences. Once the meeting is over, you dive into your first task of the day. Today, you're working on a new mobile app interface for a client. As a tech creative professional, you have a keen eye for design and a deep understanding of user experience. You begin by sketching out different wireframe concepts, carefully considering the user's journey and how to make the app intuitive and visually appealing. After finalizing the wireframes, you move on to the prototyping stage. Using specialized software, you bring your design to life, adding interactive elements and animations. You test the prototype on different devices, ensuring that it functions flawlessly and delivers a seamless user experience. This iterative process allows you to refine your design and incorporate client feedback before moving forward. As the day progresses, you juggle multiple projects simultaneously. You might be creating a website for a new startup, designing an engaging social media campaign, or brainstorming ideas for a virtual reality experience. Each project presents its own unique challenges, but you thrive on the opportunity to push boundaries and explore innovative solutions. Collaboration is a fundamental aspect of your work. Throughout the day, you meet with team members to discuss ideas, share progress, and gather feedback. You engage in lively discussions, bouncing ideas off each other and challenging the status quo. This constant collaboration fuels creativity and ensures that the final product is a cohesive and well-executed masterpiece. Lunchtime is a chance to recharge and connect with colleagues. You head to the office cafeteria, where you engage in casual conversations, exchange ideas, and build meaningful relationships. Networking is not just about expanding your professional circle, it's about building a support system and generating inspiration from like-minded individuals. After lunch, it's back to work. You might spend the afternoon refining designs, coding the front end of a website, or working on a marketing strategy. Your work requires a delicate balance of technical skills, creative thinking, and an understanding of the target audience. You constantly seek new ways to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible. As the day draws to a close, you take a moment to reflect on your achievements. You've brought concepts to life, transformed ideas into reality, and made a tangible impact on the digital landscape. It's a satisfying feeling, knowing that your work has the potential to reach millions of people and enhance their lives. Before leaving the office, you touch base with your manager to discuss upcoming projects and goals. As a tech creative professional, you never settle for mediocrity, you're always striving for improvement and growth. You value the opportunities for professional development, whether it's attending workshops, conferences, or taking online courses to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Leaving the office, you head home, knowing that tomorrow brings new challenges and opportunities. You're passionate about what you do, and each day is a chance to make a positive impact through your creativity and technical expertise. You can't wait to see what the future holds in the ever-evolving world of tech and digital design.